Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and believe me, there's a lot to cover, including some unexpected absences. Over the past 24 hours, the internet has been buzzing with rumors about this highly anticipated drone, so let's break everything down, from the standout highlights to the surprising omissions. Mavic 4 Pro. What's new and what's missing? Let's start with the headline feature. The Hasselblad camera partnership continues. DJI is sticking with a micro Four Thirds sensor, but it's an upgraded version compared to earlier models. According to leaks, this sensor can capture up to 100 megapixels, which is a massive leap. Think of it similarly to how Apple handled the iPhone 14's 48 megapixel sensor. It's using a Bayer quad structure to pack more detail and better color into every shot. The sensor's unique pixel arrangement combines 4 subpixels for each main pixel, with each handling different color and brightness data. This results in stunning image quality while maintaining an effective resolution of about 24-25 megapixels, but with greatly improved color fidelity and dynamic range. Video recording gets a significant boost too. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to shoot 6K video at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, which means silky smooth slow-motion footage with incredible sharpness. Another standout? The drone reportedly achieves 16 stops of dynamic range, putting it in the same conversation as some professional cinema cameras. That level of range is a game changer, especially for aerial shots where lighting conditions vary dramatically, like sunrises, sunsets, or urban landscapes. Telephoto cameras, mixed reactions now, onto the telephoto lenses. And things are a bit of a mixed bag here. There are 2 telephoto options. First, a 70mm lens with a 1.3 48 megapixel sensor, capable of recording 4K at 60 FPS HDR and 4K at 120 FPS SDR. This lens offers versatility without sacrificing too much quality. Then there's a 168mm equivalent lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, but it's slightly less impressive. It can shoot 4K at 60 FPS HDR and drops to 4K 100 FPS in SDR mode. The sensor's slower readout speed is a slight letdown compared to the 70mm lens, but it's still solid for long-range shooting. Advanced obstacle avoidance with LiDAR. One major leap forward is the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, which reportedly uses LiDAR technology. Instead of just relying on traditional visual sensors, the Mavic 4 Pro uses laser-based mapping to detect obstacles in all directions, even in low-light environments. Plus, the drone's wind resistance has been upgraded. It can now handle winds up to 43 km/h and fly at a top speed of 25 mph, giving it solid stability across various conditions. Gimbal improvements, 360-degree rotation, and vertical shooting. A big change comes in the form of the Infinity Gimbal, offering full 360-degree rotation. Whether you're creating panoramic shots or vertical videos for TikTok and Instagram, you'll have complete freedom of movement without sacrificing quality. The gimbal design caters specifically to vertical video shooters, making it easier than ever to create professional-grade portrait mode content directly from the drone. Battery life and transmission. Big upgrades. Battery life is getting a significant boost too. Thanks to a 20% larger battery, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to achieve up to 51 minutes of flight time in ideal conditions, a big jump compared to previous Mavic models. When it comes to connectivity, DJI is stepping things up with OcuSync 4+. This new transmission system reportedly extends the range up to 30 kilometers, provided you're flying in clear conditions with minimal signal interference. Controller revamp. Smarter, brighter, better. DJI has redesigned the RC2 Pro controller. This time, instead of a built-in large screen, there's a foldable mini LED display integrated into the controller. It feels like a callback to older DJI designs that let you attach devices like an iPad mini, but modernized with a super bright, crystal clear screen that's easy to read outdoors. A great addition is the controller's ability to switch to vertical display mode, making it a perfect match for the Mavic 4 Pro's vertical video shooting capability. The verdict: where does it fall short? While the Mavic 4 Pro introduces many new and exciting features, it's not perfect. A few things are missing. Electronic ND filters would have been great for dynamic exposure control, but they're not included. Variable apertures on the telephoto. Lenses could have improved brightness handling. Unfortunately, not happening. No ProRes RAW or ProRes 4444 recording support, a disappointment for high-end creators hoping for more professional codec options. Pricing and release details. Here's what the rumored pricing looks like. Base Mavic 4 Pro, 2,200 fly. More combo, 2,800 creator. Combo, 3,800 the creator. Combo's higher price tag includes 512 GB internal storage and a fast charger, making it ideal for filmmakers who need longer shoot times and quicker recharges. Despite the missing features, the Mavic 4 Pro still looks like an incredible piece of technology that could set a new benchmark for professional and enthusiast drone users alike. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest drone tech and reviews. Check out my other videos if you want to stay ahead of the curve in everything drones and filmmaking gear. See you in the next one!